they are raw material, real proof showing that the concentration camps are true. These are not schools. These are not vocational training centers. These are mass detention centers. The extremist authorities of Xinjiang are doing a horrible crime that we have not seen since the time of Hitler in Nazi Germany against the Jews. What the Communist Party of China is doing now in Xinjiang is what Slobodan Milosevic tried to do in Yugoslavia during the Yugoslav wars, who massacred certain ethnic and religious groups in order to get rid of them.
OC 教授本来抱着一个目的，西方媒体对新疆的报道也许是不真实的，自己要亲自去看看。中共宣传部在确定他是比较放心的人选后，今年8月中旬邀请他和其他阿拉伯国家的记者去新疆考察。
Prisoners, they were scared to death, even though they were not Han Chinese, but they were Uyghurs and Kazakhs and what have you, and their native language was Turkic. They were afraid to speak their language, so they were always speaking Han Chinese or Mandarin. And during the whole time, they were looking at their communist supervisors for guidance. So they were not free to speak whatever they wanted. For everything, they had to look at them and see in their eyes and take commandments for them, what to answer and not to answer.
这些所谓的职业训练中心里关押的全是维吾尔族的年轻人，因为在公共场合祈祷或网站上传递文章、安装通信软件 WhatsApp 或举行宗教仪式的婚礼而被关在这里洗脑，并由家人承担费用。
我叔叔，我举报了民警，然后民警跟我单声谈话，告诉我我的以上行为属于极端行为。
Chinese authorities did not allow us to go alone in public and to question and ask people, so we cannot say much on that. But what we understood was that people were very afraid to speak to foreigners.